surfboard, and on it I shoot the curl. I'm blonde with a golden suntan and cherishes my surfer girl. It's not a philosophy that I can teach, it's a lifestyle, the Glitter Beach. I feel as fruity as a peach. I'm gonna wear gold down to Glitter Beach, that's rad. Glitter Beach. Glitter Beach. Good morning. Welcome to the Glitter Beach Surfing Invitational. Waves are good. In the red jersey, reef bedrock. It's the first heat of the Glitter Beach Open. That trophy is mine, at least that's what I'm hoping. I'm gonna rip it up and toe the line, so that victory and the first prize money will be mine. My first wave was hollow, I tucked into the curl. There's no way I'm gonna lose to a girl. I know she's kinda good, and I don't mean to brag, but I'm pretty sure I've got this contest in the bag. Ride, surfers ride, go surfers go. Whose wave is gonna totally steal the show? Ride, surfers ride, rip, surfers rip. Whose wave is gonna make the judge's wig flip? In the green jersey, Pasta Marley.
I was patient and I waited for a really big cruncher, but I took off late and boy, it was a muncher. I got pitch fruit.